Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Roblox paper squishy. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a few sheets of paper, a good pair of scissors, clear tape, preferably a wider roll for easier sealing, and a pencil for drawing. Don't forget your stuffing. Plastic bags, cotton, or even old foam pieces work wonderfully to give your squishy that satisfying feel. Now for the fun part, designing. Draw your favorite Roblox character or item onto a piece of paper. Aim for a size of about 5 to 7 inches tall for a comfortable squishy. Remember to draw 2 identical outlines of your design. If your character has specific details, make sure they align. Then, carefully cut out both shapes, taking your time to ensure neat edges for a professional finish. With your 2 paper cutouts ready, it's time to assemble. Carefully place one design directly on top of the other, making sure they line up perfectly. Now, grab your clear tape and start sealing the edges. Tape around 3 sides, leaving a small opening of about 1 to 2 inches at the bottom. This opening is crucial for stuffing, so make sure your tape creates a strong, airtight seal everywhere else. Almost done. Now, take your stuffing material, whether it's plastic bags, cotton, or foam, and gently push it into the opening you left. Fill your squishy until it feels plump and satisfying, but be careful not to overstuff it, as this can make it too rigid. Once you're happy with the fullness, seal the final opening completely with tape. Give it a gentle squeeze and enjoy your brand new handmade Roblox paper squishy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.